Howdy do y'all, welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about the Amz Doge, and also there is a giveaway going on starting from today. Okay, so more about that in a minute. All right, so Amz Doge is back on Nasdaq. Okay, is back on Nasdaq, as you can see right there. All right, so these guys, they keep doing its thing, they keep promoting, and the platform keeps growing and growing. Okay, so the latest feature is this one right here, sign in. So every day come over here, check in, and after 7 days you get a 30-day free dog. After 30 days you get a 90 days free dog. So let's check. Oh, my thing is finished. Okay, let's see what's up. So my latest one was 385, so I made 697. Okay, so still doing its thing, and I'm gonna go back for another round. Okay, so let's go for another 24-hour plan, all in. So hopefully I'll be making 12.29. Okay, so this is just an estimate. It could go up or down. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then after that you still have to pay the platform fees. Okay, as you can see right here, you pay the platform fees, platform income, and then your personal income is the money that you'll be in your balance. Okay, so how's the giveaway is going to be? Okay guys, so I will have from today to Thursday, February 9th, okay, until February 12th, which will be a Sunday. Okay, I will do a giveaway to my active team members. Okay, an active team member is a member that's under my team, under my referral link, that's active, currently making deposits. Okay, because on the last giveaway, okay, I realized that people just join the giveaways just for the giveaway, and then once they receive the money, okay, they're gone. Okay, so from today, Thursday the 9th, till Sunday the 12th, okay, I will take screenshots. I will pick a random day to take a screenshot to see who's active and who's not. Okay, and then on Sunday I will be announcing who won the giveaway. Okay, the active members. Okay, and I will be making a video showing the giveaway. Okay, so keep in mind guys, the giveaway, so the $100 giveaway will be split between all active members. Okay, so it's not just $100 for one person. Okay, so it's going to be $100 divided by the number of active members. So for instance, let's say if we have only 5 active members by the time I do the screenshot, okay, so it will be 100 divided by 5. Okay, so $20 each member. Okay, so all I have to do, just check you out, make sure that you are active. Once you are active, I can see your number right there, and then from there I will just go ahead and send you the funds. You don't have to do anything because I can see everything under my team. Okay, and that's the plan. And hopefully, if all goes well, Sunday I will make another deposit because I have a target to achieve, but I will speak more about that on Sunday. Okay guys, so like I said to you, the giveaway will start now from the date of this video, the time that you're watching this video. So today is the 9th of February, and the giveaway will be live until Sunday the 12th. Okay, after that, game over. I will be doing the giveaway. Okay, but remember, in order to you to enter the giveaway, you will have to be an active investor. Okay, so you'll have to have active deposits. Okay, and like I said to you, from today, Thursday, till Sunday, I will pick a day, random time, and I will check it out who's an active investor and who's not, and who is, I will make a note, and then on Sunday I will do the giveaway. Okay, basically an airdrop. Okay, just to show you my support as well. Okay, so that being said guys, Amz Doge still up and running. So if you're not familiar with this project, check the description below. There is a step-by-step tutorial how to get started, and this platform you can earn from 1.5% all the way to 3.3% daily. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's been paying out, right? So, and you know, I'm happy with that. So far so good, no issue. So if you're not in AMZ Doge, here's your opportunity to join the platform under my referral link, and you know, just get some bonus for being part of my team and being active depositor. Okay, so stay tuned in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.